everybody. How are you? Welcome to our live broadcast every Friday. This is Queenie. Today I am very happy to share with you about some information about our company and products. Also the latest news of the stainless steel market. And we have realized recently the stainless steel welding tubes, the raw material price already haven't been risen a lot these days. So um, um, let's now talk about the reasons why the raw material price increasing a lot these days in the China market. And first one, the reason is about the world take action to reduce the um, carbon emissions and with the popularizations and promotion of the uh, vehicle. With the promotion and the popularization of the electric vehicle factory in the future, as the sales of the electric vehicle increase, the more nickel material will be used. That means the demand of the nickel will be increased and the cost of the nickel will be increased accordingly. And the second one is about the Chinese government policy. Since May of this year, the Chinese government released a number of policy to address the domestic market and required to reduce the production capacity, and the Chinese government canceled the export tax rebate um, from since May of this year. Um, Chinese government canceled the tax rebate of some steel products, such as for the stainless steel welded tube products and also for the coil and sheet products. And it means that the supplier will have to bear more the export cost, and for this additional cost will be had to bear by the supplier. And mm, finally, this additional cost will be transferred to our clients and the uh, customers in- inventory. So this also affect the stainless steel markets of the raw material price increasing. And the third one, the reason is about the shipping fee. Since May of this year, the shipping fee have been risen weekly around 1% to 5%. And now for the shipping fee from the China to the Europe road, for the shipping fee have been risen about 5% until 6% around, and it is no, is 5 times to 6 times compared to the same period of last year. And for the shipping fee from China to the other regions, such as the uh, United States, the shipping fee have been risen about 3 times until 5 times compared to the same period of the last year. So the shipping fee is increasing a lot these days since May of this year, and until this month, November, The shipping fee is tends to be relatively stable. It is not increasing so crazy as before. Mm, but the shipping fee is still difficult to forecast in the near future as now is enter into the winter and coming to the Christmas holidays. And these reasons also have impact of the cost of raw material in the stainless steel market. And the first one is for the shortage of the container influenced by the epidemic in many countries. The situation of the shipping containers are being suspended, and the shortage of the containers and the terminal congestion in the world. So the situations of the shipping is very complicated recently. It is also the reason make effect to the market. And the fifth one is about the supplier reduce the production capacity and have the restriction on the electric use in October, this from last March until now. Since July of this year, many steel mills have reduced their production capacity by up to two-thirds, which could only meet the domestic demand. And some suppliers even suspend their exporting business because they don't have the orders, and this made the already high price of the raw material continue going up, and the electricity is restricted in many places in the China from October until this month. So due to the above mentioned reasons, that's why the material price increasing a lot in the stainless steel market of China. And let's talk about how it will change of the material price in the future, how it will change. It is Brad predicted that the material price of the stainless steel will continue to rising up until before the Christmas holiday in December. So if now currently you have the inquiry of the stainless steel routing tube, you could send the inquiry to us by email, and we will give you the proposal accordingly so that you can evaluate the current market. And next, I will share the information of our company and products with you. And our company is located in the Foshan city in China, and we have around 20 years experience in exporting the stainless steel welding tubes. And we could produce the welding tubes in commit to the standard of uh, ASTM A554 standard and others A269 and also other Europe standard. You can reference here. You will see we can produce ASTM A554 and A20 and A270 and A312. They are the stainless steel welding tube for the decoration use, and others for the industry use and for the sanitary use. There are the different type of the stainless steel welded tube on the usage. And also, we could produce the EN10296 and 2 and EN10219 and 2. And these two standards in Europe market is a very common with very common rename of the standard. And ASTM A554 is the the common name by the South American market of other countries. And we also could produce the EN10357 and other standards. For the material, our regular materials are the 201 and the 304, 304 L and 316. Also 316 L and 430. For the material, different countries may have the different name of it. For the Europe, they also named the material by EN 1.4372 or others, these different materials. And for the shape, obviously, you could see for the shape of the round tubes, we could produce the round shape and also the square shape and rectangular shape, also the slow shape like this one. And this is our regular shape. So if you have the inquiry of the stainless steel welded tube products, welcome to email us. Then we will give you the quotation as soonest. Also to give you the suggestions. And for our products, the popular service, including the polish service, the polish service in, such as polish number 600, and also some clients name it the mirror finish and number 600. And also we could produce the sighting service. Sighting service also same as the hairline the service. And what's the difference between the sighting service and the polish service? You can reference by these two samples. And for the polishing service, and polishing service is very brighter than the sighting service. This one, yeah, you can reference. Yeah, and we could send you the photos and the videos for your reference if you have the inquiry of the regular service. And also we could produce the meal finish service in each center because for ASTM A554 standard and um, A201 standard, the decoration tube and the industry tubes, also the sanitary tubes, they are different usage and have the different graft and also have the different surface. For example, for um, this one is the industry tubes, which the standard is EN10217 and 7 with the pickling service inside and both outside with the pickling service. And this one is for the sanitary tubes for the sanitary use and inside with the in polish inside and outside is the mill finish. Different clients may have the different require of the craft and the service. welcome to send our email to ask more information and the details of the products. And our factory is located in the Foshan city, which is very nearby the Guangzhou city. If you have chance come to visit the China, welcome to visit our factory. And for our factory, we have more than 100 workers, 72 production line, and 18 polishing line, and the package line. And here is our factory and warehouse photos. You can you can reference by this photo. This is our factory and our warehouse. Our warehouse is arranging shipping container every week, and sometimes we will have the live broadcast of the shipping container, also some this time by Instagram or the YouTube. So um, welcome to follow us. We will invite you visit the video, the live broadcast video by the Instagram or the YouTube next time. And for the stainless steel welded tubes, our products uh, have export to many countries, such as we have export to the Germany and export to the Russia and export to uh, the United Kingdom, Canada, and the Spain, Netherlands, and the Poland, and also other many Europe countries. Also, we have export a lot of the container to the South American countries such as the Colombia and the Brazil, etc. We could send you the shipping photos or the shipping container, the photos and the video for your more reference if you have interest. Welcome to email us and. mm, we also could offer the stainless steel elbow, such as the one elbow, and also the fitting of the stainless steel rotary tube. So if your company also business for the stainless steel fitting accessories, welcome also to send our email. We will give you the suggestion accordingly. Next one, I would like to share with you the information of the package. Normally, our tube, each one with independent packing, each tube with independent polybag packing, like the photo you can reference, and we will make a sticker on each tube. Then put the tubes into one big button. One button with the weight of each one button is around 300 kilogram to 500 kilogram. And for the Europe market, our Europe clients normally ask for two belts on each buttons. And for the regular size to our clients, which many our clients orders to us. Here are the regular size to the Europe countries you can reference. Yes. such as the 42.4 and 2.2 millimeters, and also the 48.3 and with thickness 2 millimeters, and 8.1 and 1.2. For the regular the thickness, the popular thickness are including the 1 millimeters, 1.2 millimeters, and 1.5 and 2.0 and until the 3 millimeters. And for our regular size, from the small one from the 6 millimeters until the biggest one, 254. This we all can produce, and we could send you the catalog for your more reference if you have interest for the stainless steel realty 2 products. Next one, let me show you some questions that many our clients ask to us frequently. First one is about what's the MOQ if you want to buy, if you want to order our the gratitude products. For the MOQ, normally our client order one container which can fit for um, 250,000 kg for one 40 GB container. But if you only want a text order, and you can send us your inquiry and the quantity, then we will give you the suggestions accordingly. And next one is what's the trading term with us. The trading terms, we can quote you the price based on the FOB price and the CFR price of the CIF price. You just inform us your destination port, then we will give you the suggestion of the shipping fee based on the current situation and give you the code of the stainless steel welded tubes. And how do we control the quality? Normally, we have the professional quality control team, and we have the QC department. They will help to check the diameter and the length, the thickness. Also, will check the surface and the roundness, etc. And maybe some clients have inquiry that how to start business with us. You can follow up our Instagram and send us the email, or to call us. Then we will give you the suggestions accordingly. Here is the information of us. Okay, this one. Let me show you some photos of our factory and of our factory machine facilities. This one is about our the raw material. Yes, and we have the polishing line. This one our the polishing line. Yes, And our welding way is the TIG welding way. Here, photo for reference. And here are the package and why we arrange the shipping. This one is our shipping container photos. For reference. And here is our company's their standard and their information. Here for your reference. The Maysky and the standard, the regular material. You can contact us to for more information. Then we will give you suggestions accordingly. And for the warehouse, and for the exhibitions, actually our team regularly uh, attend to the stainless steel conference exhibition on Netherlands in the year 2018, and also we attend to the Germany exhibition in the next year in May in next year. For this year's the conference, the stainless steel conference exhibitions, our team cannot attend to it because now the China epidemic controlling the situation, so we cannot attend to the exhibition, but we will attend to the next year's the Germany exhibition. And if you have planned to attend to the next year's the Germany exhibition, I'm welcome to contact us. We can send you the free tickets. And in the past year, our company also attend to the other exhibitions in South America, such in the Brazil exhibitions, and also we attend to the Peru the exhibitions in the Peru country. Okay, and that's all the information that today I sharing with you. Thank you. Bye bye.